Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items today to share with you from GBFKE. So I have a couple of different items and I also have a diamond painting. So first things first, I did order this pen. I know sometimes people can, depending on, things with their hands, grip, things like that, can sometimes struggle with a normal diamond painting pen. So I wanted to show you basically that these are out there. So I picked a pale yellow colour, but this pen does have sort of grooves in the bottom, grooves in the side, so you can hold it like this, a bit more like a normal pen. But you can also use sort of the middle part, depending on how you may need to grip as to what is comfy for you. This is actually quite comfy. The sort of tip of it sort of fits in between my fingers, but then I've still got somewhere to grip here and somewhere to sort of rest my finger. The top does come off, but that feels like that's come off a bit too much. Oh no, that's why. It is. Okay, I think I broke it. No, there we go. The tip of the pen does come out. This is actually a release, and that's what I've done wrong. So you actually push it back. So I think what I've managed to do now is pop it in with the tab underneath, and the tab should be on top. So let's see if I can get it out. And then there we go. Okay, so we're back to how it should have been. So this is how I received it, with the tab across the top, and you just push that in, and then you can use the tip, fill it up with your wax, and then you push this button to sort of stop the pen tip from getting damaged afterwards. So there are many different types of diamond painting pens out there. There are thick ones, there are thin ones, there are ones that are lighter weight, and there are also some that are a little bit different that may help people that need something to help with the grip, or even just because you like it and you want to change things up a bit. Either or works. So that is item number one. I will link to all of these down below. This second item is more of a storage holder for diamond paintings. Not ones that are hugely long, but you can still get quite a few different sizes in here to help keep things dust free. So if you do want to be able to store maybe some of your smaller diamond paintings together, I mean that's a 30 by 30 or a 30 by 40, so that's about 30. You could probably get a diamond painting that is 50 high in here. You could actually get a few and use it to sort of stash them together. It does have a drawstring, so if you do want to sort of close it up, you can do, if your diamond paintings allow, and use that to hang it up. Or you can just have it to sort of keep your diamond paintings and potentially diamonds contained. There are a few different patterns for these, but they're a really good price. So I thought it's worth showing you in case you have some paintings that are better protected rather than not, or maybe, depending on how you store yours, you like to group things together. These may work as a nice option for you to be able to do that. But they are sort of a material, I wouldn't say it's watertight or anything, but it definitely feels as though it would be water resistant. It's got sort of a coating on the outside that you feel if you spilt your drink on it, you could wipe it off. It's not going to soak in. It's not a material that water, I feel, would soak into. It would more rush, it's more plasticky than it is fabric. Maybe that's what I meant to say. But I will pop the links to these down below as well, in case that's something that would be suitable for you. And then I did also pick up a diamond painting as well. because while I do like to show you things that are a little bit different that might suit you, we of course love the diamond paintings themselves. So this one is a gorgeous little camper van. Isn't he cute? So this one is a 30 by 30. The actual size of it I expect to be about 25. It's actually just a little bit short of 25, a few mil short of 25 by 25. Nice little square painting. There is quite a bit of 3865 around the outside. This is your biggest section of it. Not too much that you would get too bored anyway. But yeah, he's just gorgeous little camper van waiting and watching the sunset on what looks like a nice, potentially warm evening rather than cold. You do get a toolkit with a boat wax and pen. And if I just shake the diamonds out a little bit so that you can see the gorgeous colours. They do come in baggies. So you do have a chunk of white, but it's still only one bag. We've not got loads, but we've got these gorgeous peaches, pale yellows, orange that's, you know, not quite a vibrant orange, but still an orange. We've got some greys, we've got some pale pinks, we've got a gorgeous dusty pink in there as well. Beautiful, beautiful colours that will give you this gorgeous sunset, reflection of the sunset, and this beautiful little camper van. So they were my selections from GBFKE for this week, or for this month should I say. A couple of different items that may well be very useful for you. Always keeping an eye out for things that are a little bit different. But if you do struggle with holding a diamond painting pen, there may be something that does have a few different ways you can hold it. Things that may be useful for you, just to help you keep a nice grip on the pen, depending on how you hold it. But don't take the cap off, just push it down. Push it down to release the diamond painting tip for you to then bob your wax or your glue dots, etc. in, and then you can dot away. But yeah, thank you so much to GBFKE for sending me these to share with you all. Thank you to you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.